There's no shade. Oh yeah, they're down. There's someone down there. What size engine is this? 125.
Which is how much power?
So 125 horsepower or 125 cc?
125 horsepower.
Great way to start the recording. It's not really. All right, so metal bars.
Down in here. But when you get in there, it connects to your phone, yeah?
Yeah, and then I can look at it and see. You were not lying, bro.
So don't step on the silver things, just a seat and the floor. You can use
Gotcha.
it as support.
Woo! Yes, it is like a. You are not seeing much over the cockpit until we get up in the air. Oh my god, this is tight, dude. Yeah, my legs would be broken instantaneously if we got in a crash.
Yeah, so if I pass out, land good.
Shut the fuck up.
Try to never touch the ground. Just like try to, if you are landing, the best
swear
thing
to
do is
God.
try to hold the, like take all the power out and try to just stay like
I've got
2
like
feet off the ground.
I've got like probably 20 flight hours. And this guy's trying to tell me how to land a fucking experimental stick plane right now. You fucking joking me? All right. So we've got rudders up, we've got rudders down, we've got right, we've got left, we've got everything's working. Yeah, so we're good. We're pretty much dialed in, dude. We are ready to go. Ah.
Oh, I got her pocket back there.
Yeah, that was not cool. Like, that could have put both of our...
That was good. I turned you off so I could hear what's going on. Hey, you got a radio in that cup, right?
No, the radio's very weak. It's just a handheld, so it doesn't work very good. So we're looking the best we can, you know.
Okay,
But
I
I
was
saw
just
you in the
wondering.
downwind. We had plenty of space, and then I saw you when you were landing. We were way down here. You were not even on the ground yet down there. You were over the threshold. So
Yeah, I wasn't going to touch down until you pulled off, but yeah, I was just wondering. That was the.
oh, you can touch down before we pull off. So it's going down.
Well, I was going to do a touching
We were
video.
way down the runway. Oh, were you?
Yeah. But then I decided, like, the other two, you know, traffic pattern getting
We'll
full,
work together.
so.
No worries.
All right, man. We'll get gas in a minute.
My battery kept dying on
How's it going, guys? That was fun. That was exciting.
This guy did a full barrel roll
No, I didn't do it there.
in it, and I was like, why are we doing this right now?
Lawrence is flown in that plane. This is my friend Charles.
I am Charlie.
You probably get a real steep wing over, right?
No, I got to fly, so I was stoked. Yeah.
We went to the beach and flew over my wife's